What's up, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got Mark's 2023 Toyota 4Runner TRD. It's a beautiful little truck that's in here in the shop today, and we just did a whole bunch of really fun lighting upgrades to it, which you may or may not be able to see hidden, but I'm just gonna go over the list here, starting with the easy peasy stuff. Replaced the side marker bulbs there, so we've got the nice profile peak. Switched back LED, so we've got a running light white, and it blinks amber with turn signal. Moving down here, we start with the Diode Dynamics game. This is the SS3 yellow fog light in the SAE approved fog light pattern. It is the Pro Series with no backlight, so it is a beautiful, wonderful drop-in solution for this thing. And then we start getting into the really fun stuff right here, hidden behind the grill. The first thing you probably notice are the SS5s, which are my super favorite product that Diode is making right now. This is the Sport Series, a white and in the combo beam pattern, which means it's got a little bit of flood and a little bit of spot in there. This bracket, for the record, can actually hold up to 4 SS5s on it, but this is just kind of like a little bit of an entry-level sort of setup where we've got 1 on each side rather than 2 on each side. And then also up here, we've got the SS6s, which is the 6-inch wide stage series LED bars. Those are in a fog light pattern, so this can be used as a driving light. These guys, for the record, can only be used in a high beam application. All right, let's turn some things on and show you what it looks like. First thing I'm going to do is turn on the headlights. This trim level actually has factory LED projectors in it, which are fairly nice, although what I'm going to be showing off right now is that LED bulb in the white mode right now, and this is our headlight output pattern. Turning on the fog lights now. Okay, this is what it looks like with the fog lights on. Nice, beautiful, true yellow output. I love that. And this is what it looks like on the board. As you can see, that Diode Dynamics super wide, super strong fog light beam pattern well underneath the headlight cutoff. Turning off the headlights and fog lights, back to blank. This is the dual position rocker switch from Diode Dynamics that I put into this little dummy panel right here, which was a lot more difficult than it looks. However, if you put it in the downward position, that does the backlit option on the SS5, and if I put it on the upwards position, that is the SS5 output. So let's show off the backlight. Mark apparently likes the amber backlight, and this is what it looks like. Pretty nice little driving feature you could do there. And switching it into the upwards position. And now we've got some really nice output that is going to spread out a lot of light with the flood optics, as well as shoot really far down the road in the spot beam pattern, which is what you can see right here. So we've got the spots that are projecting really far outwards, and then this whole area is the flood pattern. This is a really popular optic choice, the combo mode. So we're going to turn that off now, and we're going to go up to Mr. Sasquatch light and turn him on. And this is going to be our auxiliary extra lighting for driving around. Again, they are in fog light pattern. You can see it on the wall here. It is very wide, it is nice and bright, but it's soft, so it theoretically should not be blinding oncoming traffic. Turning back on the headlights and the fog lights, you'll be able to see on this wall here what kind of lighting distribution pattern we've got. So right up here is that cutoff of the headlights, and right there filling in is our stage series 6-inch bars, and then down there is our SS3 fog lights. So it's a beautiful rainbow of assorted colors. It's a really good, mean, aggressive look on the front end of this truck too. It's just really cool. I really like this. And finally, we'll just do that. Now everything's just lit up really well, and this is what it looks like with everything on. Pretty impressive. I'm happy. And boom, that's the build right there. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. If you have any interest in these types of products or installation services for your particular vehicle, then you can request a build by using the form on my website and get into a future build queue. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Happy 13th. I'll talk to you later. Bye.